wonderful, wonderful moments out here in the wilderness. And then all of a sudden above I hear that annoying plane. It's like, okay, yeah, they're up in the sky enjoying the scenery, but I'm down here trying to enjoy the scenery and they are like noise polluting. So I suppose that's just one of those things that a lot of people don't care about, whether they noise pollute or actually throw their little plastic trash and other trash out here. Besides that, though, when the wind blows, it is so beautiful. And I'll record something later so that you can see. Without the planes above, there's nobody here, and it's so quiet and astonishingly beautiful. This is a blessing, and I am going to treat myself all day long on a $5 parking pass.
The last time I floated down this river, actually, was 15 years ago. And I had never been more grateful to wake up from sleeping, to enjoy another conscious and aware day of living.